Assalamualaikum student, this one is the second method in numerical analysis to solve the nonlinear equation. Now the problem is find the root by using the regular Farsi method up to 3 decimal places, that is x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0. We want to solve this problem by using the regular Farsi method. First of all, we write the problem in the form of f of x. This one is the f of x equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. Now student, we check the different value, like we put x equal to 0, we get the result is minus 9, and we substitute 0 in this equation. After that, we put 1, result is minus 12, we put 2, result is minus 9, and 3 is 6. You can see the result is different, on the value when we substitute 2, the result is minus 9, and when we substitute 3, the result is 6. It means the over root is between minus 9, between this interval 2 and 9, because the value is changed the sign. The function here is change the sign. Now student, we know the formula of the regular Farsi method. In this method, this one is the formula. Here we need to the value of a and b, a, b, f of a and f of b. Now we take the first iteration. In first iteration, we use the a equal to 2. We always use the value of a that give us the negative value. This one is a and this one is b, because at 2 the result is minus 9, at 3 the result is 6. Here we take 2 is a and 3 is b, and we calculate f of 2 and f of 3. Now we using this value in this formula, and we get the result is x1 equal to 2.6. Now we substitute this x1 in this function, and we get the result is minus 1.824. And student, this result is negative. Since the result is negative, therefore we in second iteration we use the value of a is 2.6. Why we use the value of a is 2.6? Because the result is negative here. If the result is positive, then we use this value as a b. Now we use here, in this case, we use a equal to 2.6 and b equal to 3. Now, and this one is the f of a and f of b. Substituting all these values in this formula, and also after simplification we get x2. Now this one is the x2. Again we use the value of x2 in this formula, and we get the result again be negative. It means we again replace the value of a in third iteration, is the new value is this, and b is same as before. Now student, we calculate f of a and f of b by using this value, and after using all of these value and by substituting this in this formula, we get x3 in this. We continue this process, and how we stop this process? For this purpose, we focus on this question. The question is to find the root by using regular Farsi method up to 3 decimal place. Student, you will continue this process up to, suppose this is not the actual value. I want to give you only an example. That one is the x4. Suppose we get the x4 is 2.7042. You can watch here the both results are up to 3 decimal place are matched. Now we stop the iteration. If the result is not matched up to 3 points, we can't be stop this procedure. This is just an example. You people check this one how we and move up to getting the 3 decimal places. This one, the last one is just my rough idea. Thank you very much for watching Education for All.